Welcome to my house! Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV. Today I'm very excited to show you around my house. So if you have been following me for the past two videos, I have made a video on my renovation journey. So recently I've moved into this 5-room HDB flat. Let me show you around the house. So once you come in, you will be greeted by this shoe cabinet. So this shoe cabinet is custom made and it has enough storage for my whole family. So I have a family of 4 persons, 2 kids and 2 adults. So let's not see this as some of the items in the cabinet is still not really properly arranged yet because I barely moved in 2 weeks. I think I only moved in like about 11 days ago. So bear with me, I won't be opening much of the cabinet. So I always wanted to have a mirror in the living hall. Whenever I go out, I like to check myself in the mirror. So I really love it, and I found this mirror in Spotlight. I will leave all the things that I've mentioned down in the description box below so you can check them out. So this was a very good deal, and it is really nice pearl studded design. So this is the main entrance, and this is the shoe cabinet. Usually by default all the HDB BTOs will have this, but we have changed the door. The previous owner have dismantled these 2 doors, so I have to replace the door, and right now it is no longer a shoe cabinet. I put like things, all the tools, all my hammers and screwdrivers that I need to reach for them quite frequently. And also of course I will also place all my routers here, some of the routers here. Here is my kitchen. We have decided to make this an open concept kitchen. So previously, there is a big bar counter over here. The previous owner have made a counter here, and this is a closed wall. So right now we have hacked away the wall and we make it into an open concept kitchen. Here I have a built-in bar top counter. At the kitchen, I also put my dog's food and water here. This is the service yard area where I stack up my washer and dryer here. So because I have to stack them up, I no longer able to use this retractable clothes hanger. This is by default the HDB provided. So over this part here, the previous owner made the same design as the kitchen, which I love because I always wanted my yard area to have something for me to wash, because I do sometimes pre-washing of my clothes, my laundry. I like to do it here, and they have hot and cold water as well here, because I also have a pee and poo area for my doggy. These are the things that I throw all my dirty clothes here. So I really love this part here. This is good. These are my doggy station. So all the pee pad and the things for me to clean up after his poo. And outside I have a place for me to hang hand wash clothes. So right outside the kitchen area will be my dining area. So this is my old dining table. I only bought new dining chairs for this set. And here is my living hall. This is the living area. This 3-seater sofa was brought over from my old house. We have actually bought another set of sofa, which is a 3+1 seater, and the sofa is a custom-made sofa and it has yet to arrive. So perhaps I will do another updated living hall area after the sofa arrives. We also have not bought any coffee table because we are not used to having a coffee table, but we find that the living area is quite bare, so I'm intending to put the coffee table here. So yeah, so I will do an updated living room tour after the sofa and after we have bought the coffee table. So the TV is the old one, and here is the TV console. Yep, and I really like the design of my TV console. So this is like a paneling, they call it the paneling design or framing design. So what they do is they do this frame here. They do this frame paneling. It's a wood paneling, and after that they just paint over. And right here behind the living area will be my study area. So me and my husband have a home office, so we have made this as our home office. So this here, it will be seated by my husband, and that area is my area. This area is mine. I'll be doing a lot of editing work here. So this is going to be my workstation as well as my filming station. I keep all my filming equipment down under the settee. I really like how my designer designed this whole custom-made study table. It's really long. I think it has about 3 meters long. You can't really find such a long table out in the market. That's why we asked our designer to custom make one for us. So I like the fact that it can hide my cables. I have a lot of charging cables, plenty of them, like almost 10 cables all dangling, and it is really unsightly. So he designed this area where I can remove the panel and you can reveal all the PowerPoint inside. So yeah, he did a lot of PowerPoint for me. Yeah, this one thing good about custom-made furniture. You can just let the designer know and they will custom make for you. And this is part where I charge my camera. The camera that I'm using right now is the Canon EOS M50. So yeah. So I like my little corner. This is like a me corner. I like the view here. Yeah, that's why the lighting here is perfect. That's why I make this area my filming area. Okay, there's the bird. Okay, we actually had a bird thingy here, the cuckoo clock. We bought this from Switzerland. We didn't change the battery, so we didn't really use it until when we moved house, and I found it and we intend to use it again. And every time when it turns 1 hour, it will have the cuckoo bird sound, and you know, at least like telling us it's 1 hour is up and now it's the next hour. Okay, yeah, back to the settee. So I especially asked my designer to design this settee here. The settee doesn't come with a cushion. We found the cushion from IKEA, and there are storage at the bottom here. I mentioned just now that I store my filming equipment down here. Yep. So I really like this corner because sometimes I can read book. We sit here and read book. So you'll be seeing me a lot of times like sitting here and probably filming for you guys. To be honest, I haven't really enjoyed sitting here yet. I have no time to read a book because I was so busy moving house. Can imagine myself like drinking a cup of coffee, reading book. You know, Singapore condos, I mean old condos, they love to have bay windows. So and nowadays people don't like it anymore. So new projects in Singapore do not have any more bay window. But I love bay window. I love the concept of bay window because it's like a little area where you just sit down and enjoy the view. Yeah, so that's why I asked my designer to create one for me. You know, just my size. Just my size, because I'm short. Just my size. You see that? Okay, can't. Okay, here you go. Yeah, just my side. And I can just put a cup of coffee here. Yep, with a coaster, coffee here, and enjoy the view. So this is my favorite corner. This is the very first time that I ever buy any paintings before. So because I always complain that my walls are so plain, so we went around Singapore to find paintings. So IKEA has some paintings, and this one I bought, this side here I bought from Spotlight also. Spotlight was having the most selection of paintings. And yeah, so this is the most decor that I've ever done before. And I mentioned this mirror, so these are the few decors that I have made to my house. Oh yeah, I bought this from Spotlight too. How nice. Me and husband saw this clock and we fall in love with this clock. And this is my little doggy corner. He loves to sleep here. Oops, currently he's sleeping there. Louis! Louis, come! Louis, come! So let me show you the very first bedroom. We call this bedroom the multi-purpose room because it serves two purposes. One is as my elder son's study area. He keeps all his books here. He will do his homework over here. And the second purpose of this room will be their play area. So it's a play and study area. Yeah. So here is my master bedroom. I have a ceiling fan as usual on top of my bed. In fact, I have 5 ceiling fans throughout the house. Singapore is really hot, so we can't live without ceiling fan, and we do not turn on the aircon in the daytime, so we only turn on the aircon at night when we are sleeping. So here's my bed, the old bed, but I still love this bed a lot. The mattress is from Serta. After giving birth, I have lower back pain, and this is my savior every time. After I have a very long day, I sleep on this, and the next morning I'm feeling so refreshed and my back pain is melt away. And this is super thick. This is like a 12-inch mattress, plus this is a king size bed. And we have a storage down here. Is those that you can lift up. It's very heavy. So here is a full-length mirror that we bought from IKEA. I always wanted to have a full-length mirror so that I have more OOTD shots here. And there's another mirror inside my walk-in wardrobe. This is the dressing table mirror. So I make up over here. And oh, let me show you the fan. So this is the mini fan that I mentioned. We bought this mini fan in Malaysia, in JB. So that's all for my little house tour today, and I hope that you have enjoyed as much as I enjoy filming them. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comment section below. If you have enjoyed this video, please share this video and like the video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. That's all for today. I will see you in my next one, and Merry Christmas! Okay, say Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Where's the Christmas tree? Where? Where's your Christmas tree? Go. Go.